Don W6 GPS, and I get this question asked a lot. What screen protector do you recommend for the TH-D75? And what I recommend is the Nano Glass Screen Protector from screenshield.us. Anyway, you get a little kit here with everything you need to put a nice, tough front glass protector, I guess is what we're going to call it. So you get two of the screen protectors. You get a little squeegee, and you get a little guide and a dust absorber, little cleaning cloth too. So the first thing you want to do is, let's just move that aside, is you want to get your radio, and I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see this real good. And you're going to wipe it down with a clean alcohol swab. Take your little cleaner, your enclosed towel, screen buffer, I guess, this little towel. All right, and the next thing you want to do is, this has got two sides. There's a peel me number 2 and a peel me number 1. Peel me number 1 is going to go down, and you're going to kind of lay it on here like this. And these sticker guides, what you do is you just kind of put them on top. Just like that. And then you want to carefully line it up to the D75's front screen, or they call it the front glass. Okay, you line it up. Kind of look in the corner right here, the corners, and then the top. When you get that lined up, roll that back. Give it one more buff, like so. Then you're going to take the dust absorber, and you're going to just gently go along the surface, and you're going to pick up any little flecks of dust that may have settled. Okay, after you get that done, you're going to, the thing that says peel number 1, you're going to peel that off, and the sticky side is exposed. Then you carefully bring it over, make sure that it's aligned, and once you see that it's aligned, you can take the little tabs off. And then you take the squeegee, and there's a soft side here, and what you do is kind of move the air off. You can go ahead and peel the second one off, and you can see that there's a little bit of a few air bubbles. Work from the center out. This will not scratch your new protector. It's kind of soft. And there you go. There are several versions of these screen protectors. I have tried the optic anti-glare, but it's just way too dull. It's I mean, you could see the difference. So I just don't recommend it. So this one's a little bit cheaper. Anyway, you can get it from screenshield.us. If there's anything else we can help you with, you can contact me, donw6gps@yahoo.com.